Hi, David here from AGRI-TURF, and this is a video on how to set up a Willmar or Newton spreader. To hook up the spreader, use a 1-inch safety pin with accompanying clip and attach the safety chain. Our spreader PTOs have two options, a collared option and a button option. In this instance, we have the collared option, as shown here. Pull the collar back when putting onto the shaft and attach onto the shaft. It should click back into place and lock. Now your spreader is hooked up. Use your delivery ticket to locate the density and pounds per acre. If the pounds per acre are not known, a recommendation may have been made by our agronomy team. These notes can generally be found a line or two below the analysis of the fertilizer you have purchased. It may even be highlighted. To set the gate opening, look at the rate chart located on the back of the spreader. You will find a red chart for the red sprockets and a green chart for the green sprockets. To start, locate your density along the top column of the red chart. Under that density, move down the column and find a number closest to the pounds per acre you wish to spread at. Here at Alliance, when possible, we advise against a gate opening of more than 4 inches. The spread patterns may not be as precise if the gate is higher than this. So if the gate will be more than 4 inches and the correct pounds per acre is listed on the green chart, use this sprocket chart instead. This will ensure a more accurate spread pattern. Set the gate opening to what is indicated on the chart. For more accuracy, be eye level with the gauge when setting. When gate is set, ensure the wing nut is tightened so the gate will not bounce shut during operation. Now that you have selected your gate height, it is important to make sure the correct sprockets are in use. At the back of the spreader, you will notice 2 pairs of sprockets, one painted red and one painted green. There will be a chain that can only be used on one set of sprockets at a time. You need that chain to be on the sprockets that match which chart you used to select your gate height, green and green or red and red. If it is already on the desired sprocket, great. If not, loosen the wooden block slide and slide it up. Move the chain to the appropriate sprocket set and retighten the block, leaving some slack in the chain. Please do not stress the chain by over-tensioning. When ready to spread, engage the conveyor chain by removing the safety pin and lifting up on the engaging arm. Be sure to align the chain with the drive sprocket on the axle. Reinsert the pin to secure the arm in place. Never reverse while the spreader is engaged. Before engaging the PTO, make sure your tractor is at idle so you do not spin the belt off of the back of the machine. Some of our machines are equipped with a hydraulic or rope control feature, painted yellow on the side of the spreader, which allows you to turn on and off the flow of fertilizer from your tractor cab. This is used to prevent double spreading of headlands or going from field to field. If you do not wish to use this feature, the rope should be tied up snug so the spreader will not disengage partway through your spreading job. If you wish to use this feature, please bring the rope into the cab with you or hook up the hydraulics with the rope tied up slack and test before going to the field. View these quick demonstrations to see how the mechanism starts and stops the apron chain. When hydraulics are extended or the rope is pulled to lock the control arm in position closest to the tractor. The control arm is unable to contact the ground drive device, so the apron train will turn and fertilizer will disperse to the spinners as the tractor drives forward. To stop the flow of fertilizer, you will pull the rope to lock the control arm in the position furthest from the tractor, or release hydraulic ram so the control arm catches the ground drive device at the rear of the spreader. It will kick the spreader into neutral, where it will cause the apron chain to remain idle and fertilizer dispersal will cease while the tractor still drives forward. You are now ready to spread. Once you're done spreading, please disengage the system and call our office with your name and address and tell us it's empty and we'll come pick it up. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. AGRI-TURF appreciates your business. Thank you.